Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Noelia and I talk about all things curly and beauty. For today's video, I'm actually going to share with you guys how I went from the first picture to these super defined curls. You guys know a few videos ago I went and did the LCO method and it did not work for me, so I decided I was not going to let that wash and go to waste. I'm going to find a way to make it work, and I decided to just go ahead and refresh. I'm going to show you guys the method that I do when it comes to already refreshing styled hair and not using the same gel or products that were already in that routine. But before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the alerts so you know when I post my next video. I'm also going to attach my social handles so you guys can follow me on there as well. I post a ton of curly content, so go check me out. But without further ado, let's get right into this video. Before I show you guys how I refreshed my hair, I did want to thank Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. I'm going to go ahead and put my hair back so I can share with you guys some amazing jewelry that they sent over. For those of you who don't know, Ana Luisa is a sustainable jewelry brand that makes affordable, high-quality jewelry for everyone. This is an everyday luxury brand that uses ethically sourced recycled metals such as 14 karat gold and sterling silver. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys some of the pieces that they sent over. I have been using them over the course of the last few months and I absolutely love each piece. So as you guys know, I have a ton of piercings, and when it comes to finding jewelry, I love using small but pieces that stand out. So these are my favorite ones. These are called the Suzannes. These are a diamond huggy and they are the absolute cutest. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on because I've definitely shown you guys how they look in previous videos. I have not taken these off since I've gotten them. Guys, how beautiful is this earring? It is so dainty, but it stands out in the most perfect way. I love the little diamonds, and what I also do love is that this is made of 100% recycled material. This is actually sterling silver, and believe it or not, I am actually very, very sensitive to jewelry. I have not had an issue with any of my Ana Luisa pieces, which is amazing because when I'm telling you guys, my ears are just ridiculously sensitive. They're so, so sensitive. So I love, love, love this one. This is probably one of my absolute favorites. I like to switch from having it in my first hole to my second, my third. I like to move it around because it gives it kind of a different look. Okay, but how cute are these? They are the cutest little earrings. And like I said, guys, I love little dainty earrings like this. I love my big hoops. I love big scandalous earrings as well, but there's nothing like cute little huggies. Absolutely love it. They're so beautiful. I have worn these on my second and third hole. These pair beautifully with the Suzannes. I like to wear the Suzannes on my second hole and have them side by side, and they look beautiful. So I only put it on one side so you guys can get an idea. Look how cute. They are the cutest. Honestly, I feel like the Suzannes pair well with any earring. So I might actually just keep them in my second hole because I have one more earring to share with you guys, and these are absolutely stunning. Okay, so the last pair are a completely different vibe. I am absolutely obsessed with this gold coin hoop. Look how gorgeous this earring is. Because you can dress it up, you can dress it down, and it just gives you such an elegant vibe. And like I said, look at the little huggy next to it. Love the Suzanne huggy. They just pair so well together. And yeah, absolutely love these. I've absolutely been loving these earrings, and the best part is they're having an amazing Black Friday sale. If you click the link down below, you can get one piece of jewelry and get the other one at a very discounted rate. This is the perfect gift for the holidays, so go ahead and check them out. They have amazing deals right now and you definitely don't want to miss out. Okay, you guys, this is the day after I did the LCO method, and this is what my hair looks like. It literally looks like a giant frizz ball, and there's little to no definition. When I styled it for bed, I actually styled like I wanted to make it last all week. So I actually put my hair up in a satin scarf, and then I put on my bonnet as well as sleeping on a satin pillowcase, and this is the outcome. Look at the front section. This is probably one of the most frizziest areas, as well as the bottom section, but there is little to no curl definition. So we're gonna go ahead and refresh this fro because yeah, this is not okay. And I don't want this wash and go to waste. So what we're gonna do is I'm actually going to saturate my hair with water and then use one of my favorite gels. But before we do that, I'm gonna go ahead and test out which gel works better with the products. So of course, the two gels I'm going to have as options is the Wetline Extreme Gel and the Eco Styler Olive Oil Gel. So let's test it out and see how it works out first, and then we'll pick which gel we'll use. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of the product combo on my hands and test it out this way. This is how I use a gel to refresh any look that doesn't work for me. I'll go ahead and just see which gel works, which gel mixes well with these products, and then go from there. I'm going to apply a little bit of the Talia Wajid. And I'm also going to use some of the oil. Just a few drops, nothing too crazy. I'm going to mix it. It mixed really well with my hair. It didn't give me any issues. Weirdly enough, oh no, it looks fine. Just needs a little water. All right, so now that the three are on my hand, even though it looks clumped, they didn't clump in my hair. So I think it just needs a little water, which is fine. So we're gonna add one of the two gels. Let's test out the Wetline Extreme Gel first. I'm gonna take some of this, apply a little bit of the Wetline Extreme Gel on the back of my hand into this mixture and see how it mixes. Okay, so far it looks like it mixed really well. Of course, like I said, it's thick, but it's not clumpy. It's thick, but it's definitely not clumpy, so they definitely mix well together. This could be an option. Okay, so I decided to switch hands just in case there's a little bit of residue from the prior gel, and it might have some type of effect. So I already mixed the three together, and now I'm gonna add some of the Eco Style Gel. We're gonna take some of the gel and apply it directly on this. See if anything happens, or if it mixes well. Okay, looks like it mixed just like the Wetline Extreme Gel. I feel like it did thin it out a lot more than the other. I might have used more product on this hand versus this one, but none of them clump, which is good. So what I'm gonna do is, I think I'm gonna use the Wetline Extreme Gel because I haven't used it in quite some time, and my last two wash and goes, I feel like I used this one, so I think I'm gonna use the Wetline Extreme Gel. Okay, so I went ahead and saturated my hair with water. I told you guys I normally don't use a spray bottle anymore because I feel like it takes way too long to actually wet all of my hair. So I just used the shower head. I rinsed my hair under the shower head and just saturated my hair. I still feel like the products are very heavily in my hair. I didn't want to rinse all the product out. I just wanted to make sure that my hair was wet because when I tell you guys it takes forever for my hair to actually feel like it's wet, it takes forever. So I feel like this is the easier method for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair as I would if I was just styling regular. We're gonna work with these two sections. It's nothing different than what I would do if I was just styling. I'm just gonna go ahead and just simply apply the gel. I might actually brush it through just to make sure I don't have any tangles. So we're gonna grab some of the Wetline Extreme. You guys know I absolutely love this gel. It's probably one of the best gels I've ever used in my life. Grab some and just literally apply it directly to the hair and just rake it through. Take your time and make sure all your hair is coated. I'm so happy they mixed really well together because I love these two gels. And now I'll know that this wash and go will last me the whole week. And I didn't waste the wash and go. And look at how this section looks so far. You guys see? I see the difference already. Just when styling, you could already feel when a routine's just gonna work really well. But I'm so happy that I decided to just refresh the look. I was going to just let it be and just leave my hair in a bun all week, but I'm like, that is not necessary. Just take the time and refresh your hair. Not every wash and go that doesn't work is an epic fail. At least I learned. I already knew, I'm not gonna lie, going into it, I already had a feeling that it wasn't gonna work for me. But like I said, I didn't want to completely cancel it out until I actually tried it. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do is just repeat the same thing throughout the rest of my hair. You guys know how this goes. I'm gonna speed up the video, and once I add the gel to the rest of my hair, I will come back and show you guys how it looks. Okay guys, so my hair is fully styled and look at the definition. I'm not surprised because the wet line extreme always comes through, but look at this definition. And I already feel like the outcome's gonna be so bomb, but again, let's wait till my hair dries. Hopefully all is well, but my curls feel super moisturized and I have no doubt in my mind that this will be perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and air dry for a bit. I do have a quick errand to run before the store closes, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quick, and then when I get back, I will diffuse the rest of my hair, and then I'll show you guys what my final results look like, so be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back and my hair is fully dry now. I actually air dried for about 2 hours and then I just finished diffusing now. And look at this definition. I'm living. I'm so happy that I was able to revive my curls compared to how they used to look. And I haven't scrunched out the crunch. There is a lot of crunch going on, but I think I'm actually gonna keep it in my hair because I've noticed that if I leave the crunch overnight and scrunch it out in the morning, I get phenomenal results. So I'm gonna leave it like this. Since it is late, I'm not going anywhere, so I might as well just leave it as is. But yeah, these are what my results look like. Super defined, long-lasting curls, and we're loving this. We are here for it. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I had a good feeling about it, and I'm really, really happy that they turned out as great as they did. Again, my hair feels super moisturized, my ends in particular. When I do scrunch out the crunch, I will be using the Miche Polished Oil because it did do really well for my ends and sealing my hair overall. But yeah guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions regarding anything that I mentioned in this video, feel free to comment it down below. But that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.